Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of industrial fans with a focus on a powerhouse in its category. The Tornado 20-inch high-velocity industrial wall fan. If you're looking for the best stall fans for horses or robust cooling solutions for your space, this might just be the one for you. Let's explore what makes this fan stand out. The Tornado 20-inch fan is built for durability and performance. It boasts a high-velocity airflow of 4,750 CFM, making it ideal for industrial, commercial, and even residential settings where robust air circulation is key. This fan is engineered with a TEAO ball-bearing motor, ensuring reliability and longevity even in demanding environments like barns, garages, or workshops. It's equipped with 3-speed settings: 4,750 CFM on high, 4,200 CFM on medium, and 3,800 CFM on low, giving you control over airflow intensity based on your needs. What sets the Tornado fan apart is its heavy-duty construction. It features a combination of aluminum and powder-coated steel, which not only enhances its durability but also makes it rust-resistant. Perfect for humid environments or places where moisture might be a concern. Installing this fan is a breeze, pardon the pun. It comes with a 6-foot-long SJTR power cord for flexibility in placement, and with its wall mounting capability, you can have it up and running in no time. Just ensure to mount it on concrete or metal surfaces for optimal stability. Now, one of the standout features of the Tornado 20-inch fan is its noise reduction technology. Despite its powerful motor, it operates at a maximum of 66 decibels, ensuring a quieter environment compared to many other industrial fans on the market. Whether you're using it in a stable to keep your horses cool, in a garage to ventilate fumes, or even in a greenhouse for air circulation, this fan is designed to meet your needs while keeping noise levels low. Measuring 24.5 inches in both width and height, with a depth of 6.3 inches, this fan fits snugly into various spaces without being intrusive. Its pull chain control makes adjusting speeds straightforward, and it meets OSHA and all safety standards, ensuring peace of mind regarding its electrical and operational safety. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a robust, reliable, and efficient industrial fan, the Tornado 20-inch high-velocity industrial wall fan should definitely be on your radar. With its powerful airflow, durable construction, and quiet operation, it's a solid investment for anyone needing superior air circulation in their space. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews. Until next time, stay cool and see you soon.